Hello everyone, it is D-tor. This time I'm giving you a box unopening of a new Nendoroid I just picked up. It is Legend of Korra's Korra. Came out a few months ago, and I just decided to get one after Christmas. So I hope you guys enjoy this unboxing video. I don't really know much about it. I picked it up off of eBay for 50 bucks, and it just came now.
Christmas present for yourself.
Christmas present for myself, yep. I know there's two faces, and she comes with a lot of bending poses. So the box is standard, has all the core stuff. All of it's in Japanese. I don't understand most of it.
Is it the same as the one for Ahri?
The one for Ahri, same company, yeah, made that one. So they would be interchangeable, their faces and their clothes and poses.
Can we do that?
Yeah.
Like in the video?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
One more. Right. There we go. Oh, one more. Okay. So here's the figure. This is her avatar state face. We've got two pairs of legs, or a pair of legs and a pair of arms to switch out. And she comes with fire and water.
And rocks.
And is this
pebbles.
rocks? Are you holding some?
No, no, that's a pebble.
Oh. So, and what? And air. So I guess she has all four. Cool. So my experience with Nendoroids have been really hard. Hard to pose, hard to keep up. But I hope it's different with her. Feels different. Oh, she fell.
Her butt fell off. Can I take off the tiny bit of plastic? Oh, never mind. I think I'll break it.
No, try. Go ahead.
Okay.
It's all over her.
Oh, her butt is... Oh, yay! We can switch her and Ahri's butt.
Yep. I dropped her again.
Why are there 3 holes?
3 holes?
There's 3 holes.
It's to keep it secure. There's a bunch of bending, posing
Butt.
right here, so...
You can take off her butt. Does she have a stand?
Yeah, this is the stand right here. So let's try and figure her out.
Does she, like, hold it with her hands?
So this is the pose I came up with. It took me a while, and yeah, but it looks pretty good. And for comparison, this is Ahri next to Korra. And then we should switch them up now. So like after a year of trying to pose these damn things, we finally got it. I did Ahri with Korra's hair, and Danica did Korra with Ahri's hair. And we basically posed them like this, which is pretty cool. Danica wanted Korra to be throwing a charm. And Ahri's just bending everything, you know, burst, kill. She has a different tail. And Ahri's braid is on right there. So, yeah. I'm pretty inclined to keep them like this because I don't want to repose them. It takes forever to do that. Do you like them?
So we're just gonna keep them like that? You're gonna put it up like that?
I might, or I might just put them back. I don't know.
I like the one. I like Korra's the most.
I do like Korra's. She's in an action pose, and Ahri's just bleh. All right, thanks for watching our unboxing video. I hope you guys liked it. I actually don't know of any other Korra Nendoroid unboxing videos on YouTube right now, so I hope this is the first one you guys seen, and thank you.